Kathleen again. The bonus with the practice breathing is we're going to do it now. So the one technique I use, and there's many out there, but I find this best, is called the 4-7-8 count. So what you do is you blow all your air out, breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and breathe out through pursed lips for 8 seconds. I'm going to do it with you 3 times because if I continue to do it, I might forget to stop recording because it definitely relaxes you. And you can keep doing it as long as you need to. Okay, so one more time. We're going to breathe all our air out. We're going to breathe in through our nose for a count of 4. We're going to hold for a count of 7. And then we're going to blow out for a count of 8. You can watch me do it a few times and then you just go for it on your own. Okay. So I'm going to start with blowing out and here we go. And I'm going to do it 3 times. That was 3 times. So I can already feel a shift. I can feel a sense of calming. I can feel a sense of grounding. Just everything in my body is shifted. If I did it 5 more times or something, I would just be so relaxed. So it definitely works.